Here's something you don't see every day. 32 cycle, well not 32, I'm at 25 to 30 cycle GE fan. I forget cycle or 25 cycle was in the city, but it's 110 volts, 0.4 amps. There's the model number. It's in amazing condition. I got this thing for a steal. Sadly, this brush holder is broken, so I'm gonna have to try to get that out somehow. Or fix it, because I need to remove the brushes. But the brushes are in great shape. On this side, I was able to check it out and clean it off. I have yet to take this apart and replace the head wire. It's still in good shape, but I always like to make sure that it's replaced. You never know. Still got the button on the back. Surprisingly, this is about to it falls off because I need to fix the dent and get it sealed better. But other than that, it's in good shape. Top of it cleaned up decently. I have yet to go through the whole thing, but I just shined the paint to see what it looked like. Most of the time, these are always like, the paint's always gone. The felt's still there. I'm gonna replace that. Other than that, not really much that is special about it besides that it's 32 volt. It does, the only way I can run this is on DC, because I don't have a VFD to change it to 25 cycle. There's really no point in doing that because you just run it off a DC and put a bridge rectifier on the bottom. I need to clean off all the oil and fix the oil cup. I have yet to go through it. I just put a few drops of oil so that way it wouldn't run dry, but other than that, runs great. Here it is on, it's a 1-speed. Running perfectly, watts are good. Moves a hell of a ton of air. And it's relatively quiet, but usually for these DC fans, they were cheaper, so it really wasn't considered. It wasn't meant to be quiet, it's just meant to move air. The higher models that's different speeds were usually quiet. And it's a stationary too, which you don't see. Usually everybody bought the oscillator. It'll run even better once I get it serviced and new wicks and everything and new head wire, but it's running perfectly good for right now. The amount of air this thing moves is kind of crazy. It's gonna have a really quick coast down because the brushes are pushing on it. Doesn't mean it's seized up, it just means the brushes are making good contact, which is what you want. But if it's too much to where it won't spin, then it's bad. But it's in really good balance too. I didn't have to do anything. This thing is in amazing shape for how old it is. I'm pretty sure it is early 1930s. It is a stationary, and still has a back that they used on the all steel. It's like the Westinghouse or the GE all steels. They just had a gun bluing steel body instead of the all brass, which most of the time is cracked, and the back was made out of brass also. But other than that, runs great. Gotta fix the switch, it sticks sometimes, but can't wait to get this one running even better, and I'll get a better video. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed.